To do a formula in Google Sheets, you have to know what the formula is, first of all. Second of all, you're going to be putting it underneath your groupings of numbers. So what you're actually going to do is down here where it says enter text or formula, to add everything together that is in a section, you're going to hit the equal sign, then you're going to type the word sum, and then you're going to put the range of cells that you're dealing with, and you're going to put that in parentheses. So my first one is A1. It's the top corner there. So I'm going to put A1, and I'm going to put a colon, which is the two dots, to indicate that this is a range. And then I'm going to put the last cell of the range, which is going to be A4. So I'm just going to type an A and the number 4, and I'm going to close off my parentheses. Notice how everything got highlighted there? That means that that's the range selected. So you want to check and make sure you have the right range. So I'm going to close off my parenthesis, and I'm going to hit return, and it's going to auto add everything for me. Obviously, I can add stuff myself. I could choose a cell phone if I wanted, but this point is that you don't have to step away from what you're doing in a Google Sheet in order to figure out a formula. So this is 217 minutes. Maybe I want to see how many hours that is. So what I'm going to do is down here in the bottom, I'm going to put my equal sign again. And I'm going to put the number, the cell that I want to divide, and I'm going to put that in here. So it's going to be A5 because that's the cell location. And I'm going to put the slash, which is divide, and then I'm going to put the number that I'm dividing by. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so I'm going to put 60. And I'm going to hit return, and it's going to tell me how many hours total I spent. In this case, it's a little more than 3.5 hours. So once I've done that, then I can go ahead and create my charts. I don't need to include my total hours or total minutes, but I do need to have that information in there.